did what it did and stuck itself upon his wrist with secrets that it hid. Now he's got superpowers, he's no ordinary kid, he's Ben 10. So if you see him, you might be in for a big surprise. He'll turn into an alien before your very eyes. He's slimy, creepy, fast and strong, he's every shape and size, he's Ben 10. All the powers, he's on the case, fighting off evil from Earth or space. He'll never stop till he makes them pay, 'cause he's the baddest kid to ever save the day. Ben
10. As life goes on, I'm starting to learn more and more about responsibility. And I realize that everything I do is affecting the people around me. So I want to take this time out to apologize for things that I've done and things that haven't occurred yet, and things that they don't want to take responsibility for. I'm sorry for the times that I left you home. I was on the road and you were alone. I'm sorry for the times that I had to go. I'm sorry for the fact that I did not know that you were sitting home just wishing we could go back to when it was just you and me. I'm sorry for the times I would neglect. I'm sorry for the times I disrespect. I'm sorry for the wrong things that I've done. I'm sorry I'm not always there for my sons. I'm sorry for the fact that I'm not aware that you can't sleep at night when I am not there, because I'm in the streets like every day. I'm sorry for the things that I did not say, like how you are the best thing in my world, and how I'm so proud to call you my girl. I understand that there's some problem, and I'm not too blind to know all the pain you kept inside you, even though you might not show. If I can apologize for being wrong, then it's just a shame on me. I'll be the reason for your pain, and you can put the blame on me. 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 Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. You could put the blame on me. Sorry for the things that he put you through, and all the times you didn't know what to do. I'm sorry that you had to go and sell those bags, just trying to stay busy till you heard from dad, when you would rather be home with all your kids as one big family with love and bliss. And even though Pops treated us like kings, he got a second wife and you didn't agree. He got up and left you there all alone. I'm sorry that you had to do it on your own. I'm sorry that I went and added to your grief. I'm sorry that your son was once a thief. I'm sorry that I grew up way too fast. I wish I would've listened and I'd be so bad. I'm sorry that your life turned out this way, and sorry that the feds came and took me away. I understand that there's some problem, and I'm not too blind to know all the pain you kept inside you, even though you might not show. If I can apologize for being wrong, then it's just a shame on me. I'll be the reason for your pain, and you can put the blame on me. 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 Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. You could put the blame on me. I'm sorry that it took so long to see they were dead wrong trying to put it on me. I'm sorry that it took so long to speak, but I was on tour with Gwen Stefani. I'm sorry for the hand that she was dealt, for the embarrassment that she felt. Just a little young girl trying to have fun. Her daddy should never let her out that young. I'm sorry for clubs and getting shut down. I hope they manage better next time around. I was out to know she was underage, in her 21 and know the club they say. Why doesn't anybody wanna take blame for rising back out, disgracing my name? I'm just a and you can put that blame on me. As life goes on, I'm starting to learn more and more about responsibility. And I realize that everything I do is affecting the people around me. So I want to take this time out to apologize for things that I've done and things that haven't occurred yet, and things that they don't want to take responsibility for. I'm sorry for the times that I left you home. I was on the road and you were alone. I'm sorry for the times that I had to go. I'm sorry for the fact that I did not know that you were sitting home just wishing we could go back to when it was just you and me. I'm sorry for the times I would neglect. I'm sorry for the times I disrespect. I'm sorry for the wrong things that I've done. I'm sorry I'm not always there for my sons. I'm sorry for the fact that I'm not aware that you can't sleep at night when I am not there, because I'm in the streets like every day. I'm sorry for the things that I did not say, like how you are the best thing in my world, and how I'm so proud to call you my girl. I understand that there's some problem, and I'm not too blind to know all the pain you kept inside you, even though you might not show. If I can apologize for being wrong, then it's just a shame on me. I'll be the reason for your pain, and you can put the blame on me. 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 Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. You could put the blame on me. I'm sorry for the things that he put you through, and all the times you didn't know what to do. I'm sorry that you had to go and sell those bags, just trying to stay busy till you heard from dad, when you would rather be home with all your kids as one big family with love and bliss. And even though Pops treated us like kings, he got a second wife and you didn't agree. He got up and left you there all alone. I'm sorry that you had to do it on your own. I'm sorry that I went and added to your grief. I'm sorry that your son was once a thief. I'm sorry that I grew up way too fast. I wish I would've listened and I'd be so bad. I'm sorry that your life turned out this way, and sorry that the feds came and took me away. I understand that there's some problem, and I'm not too blind to know all the pain you kept inside you, even though you might not show. If I can apologize for being wrong, then it's just a shame on me. I'll be the reason for your pain, and you can put the blame on me. 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 Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. You could put the blame on me. I'm sorry that it took so long to see they were dead wrong trying to put it on me. I'm sorry that it took so long to speak, but I was on tour with Gwen Stefani. I'm sorry for the hand that she was dealt, for the embarrassment that she felt. Just a little young girl trying to have fun. Her daddy should never let her out that young. I'm sorry for clubs and getting shut down. I hope they manage better next time around. I was out to know she was underage, in her 21 and know the club they say. Why doesn't anybody wanna take blame for rising back out, disgracing my name? I'm just a singer trying to entertain. Because I love my fans, I'll take that blame. Even though the blame's on you. Even though the blame's on you. Even though the blame's on you. I'll take that blame from you. And you can put that blame on me. And you can put that blame on me. You can put that blame on me. And you can put that blame on me. And you can put